This is for Year 12 Methods. It's the NEAP 2011 Exam 1 question number 7, which involves taking a derivative and then, in the second part, using integration by recognition to find the area. And you can see in the question, it's question 7, the graph's been drawn. It has a domain which has negative values, and f of x equals log base e of x squared divided by 4. And you'll notice that the area is from -2 to -1. Okay, part A says find the derivative of x log base e of x squared divided by 4. Okay, I can recognise that that's going to be a derivative of the product rule, because I have an x and I've got another x and they're being multiplied. So the derivative of x times log base e of x squared on 4 is going to be the same as d dx of u times v, where u is equal to x squared, which means u dash will equal 1, and v equals log base e of x squared on 4. So v dash is going to be the derivative of a logarithm is 1 over whatever is in here, so that's x squared divided by 4 times the derivative of the inside, which will be 2x to the power of 1 divided by 4, which is x divided by 2. And that's going to be 4 on x squared times x on 2, which gives you 2 on x. Okay, so the derivative of this will be u times v dash plus v times u dash. U times v dash is x times 2 on x plus v times u dash, which is plus log base e of x squared on 4. Over here the x's cancel to leave 2 plus log base 2 of x squared on 4. And that's going to be the derivative of that. Okay, that's part A done. Part B, use your answer in part A to find the area of the shaded region in the form of A minus log base E of B, where A and B are integers. Okay, so this is the area that I want. So I want the integral. Now I know from the previous question that the derivative of this equals this. Therefore, if I integrate both sides, I'll get x log base E of x squared on 4 will equal the integral of 2 dx plus the integral of log base E of x squared plus divided by 4 dx. Now, this integral here is going to be this. So, x log base E of x squared on 4 minus the integral of 2 dx should equal this, which means x log base E of x squared on 4 minus 2x should equal that. Now that's the integral from -2 to -1 of log base E of x squared on 4 dx. And that goes from -2 to -1. So I think in the -1 first, that gives me minus log base E of x squared, which is 1 on 4. Minus 1 is plus 2. -2, so -2 log base E of -2 squared is 4 on 4, which is 1. Minus -2 times -2 is -4. this equals 0. So I've got minus log base e of x on 4 minus 2, which will equal minus 2 plus log base e of 4. So I can bring the 4 up and it will be 4 to the negative 1. The negative 1 can go to the front and multiply. Now, that's what my answer is. Looking at my area, my integral is going to be a negative answer because the area is underneath the x-axis. Therefore, if this, for instance, was minus 2, I would say the area equaled 2. Since this is my answer, the area is going to equal the negative 2 will become 2, and that will be minus log base e of 4. Because this negative 2 becomes positive 2, this plus log base e of 4 becomes minus log base e of 4. So that's my answer of the area in terms of the form that they asked me to write it in, which was this form.